Hoses come in multiple lengths and diameters with lots of flexibility to adjust and replace. If you need to change or add a hose to your filtration system, this guide will help you do so in just a few easy steps. Generally, most pool connections take a 6-foot long by 1.5 inch diameter hose. If you want to be sure, you can measure the distance between your equipment pieces to determine the right hose length you'll need. Before you begin, turn the shutoff valve handles to the side so that the water flow is closed from both the skimmer and the return side. If you don't have shutoff valves, you can stop the water flow by using a Hayward 1022 black cap or rags to stop the water from pouring out of the openings created when the hoses are removed. Next, loosen the clamps on both ends of the hose to make it easier to slide off. Keep in mind that you will lose a little water that was still in the hose prior to the shutoff. Now you can attach the new hose. Slide the hose clamp over the cuff or the end of the hose. Next, connect the hose to the fitting with the clamp fitting loosely over it. Slide the clamp to the middle of the cuff and tighten the screw located on the top of the clamp using a flathead screwdriver. Be careful not to over-tighten. Repeat this process on the opposite end of the hose to complete a secure connection. If you have any questions about replacing a hose, reach out to your local Great Escape team. We're always happy to help.